In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Drive sync automatically. If your Drive files aren't updating on your phone the way you expect, turning on automatic sync ensures your documents, folders, and changes stay up to date in the background. We'll do this from your device's system settings so it applies reliably to your whole Google account. Menu names can vary slightly by phone model, but I'll call out the common labels as we go. Start by opening the Settings app on your device. You can usually find it by tapping the gear icon in your app list, or by pulling down the Quick Settings shade and tapping the small gear in the corner. We're heading into Account Controls, not the Drive app itself, because this is where Android manages background syncing for your Google data. Now, look for the section labeled Passwords and Accounts. On some devices, it may be called Accounts and Backup, or simply Accounts. They all lead to the same place, a list of accounts signed in on your phone. If you don't see it right away, try using the search bar at the top of Settings and type Accounts. From the list of accounts, tap the Google account you want to adjust. If you use multiple Google accounts on this device, pick the one where your Drive files live. You can repeat these steps later for any other accounts you want to keep in sync. Opening the account will reveal options that control how your data moves between your phone and Google servers. Next, select Account Sync. This screen shows individual data types that can sync for that specific Google account. Things like Calendar, Contacts, and importantly, Drive. You're in the right place if you see a list of toggles or switches for different Google services. Find Drive in that list and toggle the switch to the on position. When it's on, your device will automatically keep your Google Drive content up to date in the background. You don't need to open the Drive app to trigger updates. Android handles it for you at regular intervals and when changes occur. If you use battery saver or data saver modes, be aware that those system features can delay background sync, but once they're off, Drive will catch up. If you don't see Drive listed, it typically appears when the Google Drive app is present and linked to that account. That's it. Open Settings, go to Passwords and Accounts or Accounts and Backup, choose your Google account, tap Account Sync, and turn on Drive. With that switch enabled, your files will stay current automatically, giving you the latest versions whenever you need them.